Àdúrà wa kù márùn tá a máa gbà lẹ́yìn wàásù. Ibi tí mo jókòó sí rèé tá a ti sọ àdúrà yẹn fún mi. A lè máa gba márùn-ún kò sí mo ṣe lè pẹ́ ní wàásù tó ń gba àdúrà yẹn. Ẹni tí lójú bá ń tán tó bá rí mo ti pẹ́ tí ò lè dúró kò lè máa lọ rí. Olóore ọ̀fẹ́ láti ṣorí ọ̀fẹ́ fúnra ẹ̀ kó máa lọ rí yín lọ́pàá ìmọ̀ ní sí. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run onímájẹ̀mú.
We are thankful unto God, the God of covenant.
A gbé Ọlọ́run májẹ̀mú ga ẹni tó wà láàyè síbẹ̀.
We lift the God of covenant high, who is alive still.
Ní ọjọ́ Sunday tó kọjá,
Every Sunday,
ó mú wa lọ, ó tún mú wa padà wá lónìí.
He took us out and He brought us back safely today again.
Àwọn kan lájọ lọ lọ́sẹ̀ tó kọjá ibojì làwọn parí ẹ̀ sí.
We went out with some people last week, but they ended up in the grave.
Àwọn kan ọ̀sẹ̀ tó parí lónìí, Sunday tá a parí lónìí yìí, àwọn tó à ń sin wọn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Some are being buried today.
Wọ́n tiẹ̀ tí ì lọ gba òkú àwọn òkú òní mọ́túárì.
Some corpses were yet to be collected from the mosque.
But àwa rèé.
But here we are.
Àwa rèé.
Here we are.
Àwa rèé.
Here we are.
Ọgbọ́n wa kọ́ o.
It is not by our wisdom.
Àwẹ̀ wa kọ́ o.
It is not by our fasting.
Àdúrà wa kọ́ o.
This is our prayer.
Òdodo tá a ní kọ́.
It is not our righteousness,
Àánú là ń jẹ.
but mercy that we have obtained.
Ní ọjọ́ Sunday tó kọjá,
Last Sunday,
mo bá ẹ̀yin èèyàn lọ́rùn sọ̀rọ̀ lórí àkòrí tó sọ pé òkú Lásárù pẹ̀lú ìgbàgbọ́.
we spoke unto the children of God on the sermon topic that said, Lazarus talked with faith.
Lónìí,
Today,
tí í ṣe ọjọ́ kọkàndínlógún
being the 19th day
oṣù kẹsàn-án ọdún 2021.
in the month of September 2021,
Ẹ jẹ́ ká tún jọ lọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí adániwáyé ní fún wa.
let us listen to what the creator of the universe is having for us.
Mo wá fìwé Genesis orí 17. Mo wá kà á láti ẹsẹ̀ kìíní títí di ẹsẹ̀ kejì.
1 to 7.
Nígbà tí Ábúráhámù sì di ẹni 99 ọdún, Olúwa pa Ábúráhámù, ó sì fún pé èmi ni Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè, máa rìn níwájú mi, kí ìwọ kó sì pé, èmi ó sì bá ọ dá májẹ̀mú mi, èmi ó sọ ọ́ di púpọ̀ gidigidi. Ábúráhámù sì dojúbolẹ̀, Ọlọ́run sì bá a sọ̀rọ̀ pé, yóò ti ṣe tèmi, kíyèsí, májẹ̀mú mi wà pẹ̀lú rẹ, ìwọ ó ṣe bàbá orílẹ̀-èdè púpọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a kì yóò korúkọ ẹni Ábúráhámù mọ́, bí kò ṣe Ábúráhámù ní orúkọ rẹ̀ yóò máa jẹ́. Torí tí mo sọ ọ́ di bàbá orílẹ̀-èdè púpọ̀, ẹsẹ̀ kẹfà. Èmi ó mọ bí sí púpọ̀ púpọ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè ni èmi ó mú ti ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ wá, àti àwọn ọba yóò ti inú rẹ̀ jáde wá, ẹsẹ̀ kejì tó gbẹ̀yìn. Mi ó sì gbé májẹ̀mú mi kalẹ̀ láàárín tèmi tirẹ̀, àti láàárín irú ọmọ rẹ lẹ́yìn rẹ̀, ní ìran wọn. Ní májẹ̀mú ayérayé láti máa ṣe Ọlọ́run rẹ àti irú ọmọ rẹ lẹ́yìn rẹ.
And when Abraham was 90 years old and 9, the Lord appeared to Abraham and said unto him, I am the Almighty God. Walk before me and be thou perfect. And I will make my covenant between me and thee, and will multiply thee exceedingly. And Abraham fell on his face, and God talked with him, saying, As for me, behold, my covenant is with thee, and thou shalt be a father of many nations. 5. Neither shall thy name any more be called Abraham, but thy name shall be Abraham. For a father of many nations have I made thee. And I will make thee exceedingly fruitful, and I will make nations of thee, and kings shall come out of thee. 7. And I will establish my covenant between me and thee and thy seed after thee in their generations. For an everlasting covenant to be a God unto thee and to thy seed after thee.
Mo ti wà níwèé Gàlátíà orí kẹta.
Galatians 3.
Gàlátíà orí kẹta.
Galatians 3.
Mo wá kà láti ẹsẹ̀ kẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún dé ẹsẹ̀ ogún.
15 to 20.
Ẹ gbọ́ bí ó ti wí. Ará, èmi sọ̀rọ̀ bí ènìyàn, bí ó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé májẹ̀mú ènìyàn ni, ṣùgbọ́n bí a ti fìdí rẹ̀ múlẹ̀, kí kò sí ẹni tí ó lè sọ ọ́ di asán, tàbí tí ó lè fi kún un mọ́. Ǹjẹ́ fún Ábúráhámù àti fún irú ọmọ rẹ̀ ni a ti ṣe àwọn ìlérí náà. Òun kò kọ́ wípé fún àwọn irú ọmọ rẹ̀ bí ẹni pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n bí ẹni pé ọ̀kan àti fún irú ọmọ rẹ̀ èyí tí ṣe Kristi. Èyí ni mo mọ̀ wípé májẹ̀mú tí Ọlọ́run fìdí rẹ̀ múlẹ̀ ṣáájú òfin ti dé lẹ́yìn 30 ọdún ó lé 400 ọdún tí a lè sọ ọ́ di asán tí a bá fi mú ìlérí náà di aláìlágbára. Nítorí bí ìjogún náà bá ṣe di òfin kìí ṣe di ìlérí mọ́, ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run ti fi fún Ábúráhámù nípa ìlérí. Jẹ́ ọkọ̀ ní òfin àfikún nítorí ìrékọjá títí irú ọmọ rẹ̀ tí a ṣe ìlérí náà fún yóò fi dé tí a sì pàṣẹ àwọn áńgẹ́lì ṣe ìlànà rẹ̀ láti ọwọ́ alárinà kan wá. Ǹjẹ́ alárinà náà kìí ṣe alárinà ti ẹnìkan ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀kan ni Ọlọ́run.
Brethren, I speak after the manner of men, though it be but a man's covenant. Yet if it be confessed, no man disannulled or added thereto. Now to Abraham and his seed were the promises made. He said not, and to seed, as of many, but as of one, and to thy seed which is Christ. And this I say, that the covenant that was confirmed before of God in Christ, the law which was 430 years after cannot disannul, that it should make the promise of none effect. 18. For if the inheritance be of the law, it is no more of promise. But God gave it to Abraham by promise. Wherefore, then serve the law. It was added because of transgression, till the seed should come to whom the promise was made. And it was ordained by angels in the hand of a mediator. Now a mediator is not a mediator of one, but God is one.
Ó ti padà sínú ìwé Genesis 17. Mo wá ka láti ẹsẹ̀ kẹsàn-án sí ẹsẹ̀ kẹẹ̀ẹ́dógún.
9-15.
Genesis 17, 9-15. Ọlọ́run sì fi fún Ábúráhámù pé, nítorí náà kí ìwọ kí ó kọ májẹ̀mú mi náà, ìwọ àti irú ọmọ rẹ lẹ́yìn rẹ ní ìran wọn. Èyí ni májẹ̀mú, èyí tí mo máa pamọ́ láàrin tèmi tirẹ̀, ti yín àti láàrin irú ọmọ rẹ lẹ́yìn rẹ̀. Gbogbo àwọn ọkùnrin inú yín ni ó kọ ní ìlà, ẹ̀yin kọ akọ ara yín ní ìlà, òun ni ẹ̀yin ó sì kọ ara yín ní ìlà, òun ni ó sì ṣe àmì májẹ̀mú láàrin tèmi ti yín. Ẹni tí ó bá sì fi ọmọkùnrin ìjọ 8 nínú yín ni kí a kọ ní ìlà. Gbogbo ọmọkùnrin ní ìran yín àti ẹni tí a bí ní tilé tàbí tí a fi owó rà lọ́wọ́ àlejò tí kìí ṣe irú ọmọ rẹ̀, ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹni tí a bí ní ilé rẹ̀ àti ìtìwọ̀ owó rà kí a kò lè ṣaláì kọ ní ìlà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni májẹ̀mú mi yóò wà lára yín ní májẹ̀mú ayérayé. Àti ọmọkùnrin aláìkọlà tí a kò kọ ní ìlà, ara ọ̀kan náà ni kí a pé kúrò nínú àwọn ènìyàn rẹ̀. Ó dá májẹ̀mú mi. Ẹsẹ̀ 15 tí màá ti dáńgó. Ọlọ́run ti fún Ábúráhámù pé bí ó ti ṣe ti Sáráì aya rẹ̀ ni, ìwọ kì yóò pẹ̀lú rẹ̀ ní Sáráì mọ́, bí kò ṣe Sérà ní orúkọ rẹ̀ yóò máa jẹ́.
And God said unto Abraham, Thou shalt keep my covenant therefore, thou and thy seed after thee in their generations. This is my covenant, which ye shall keep, between me and you and thy seed after thee. Every man child among you shall be circumcised, and you shall circumcise the flesh of your firstborn, and it shall be a token of the covenant between me and you. And he that is 8 days old shall be circumcised among you, every man child in your generation. He that is born in the house or bought with money, or any stranger which is not of thy seed. He that is born in thy house, and he that is bought with thy money, must needs be circumcised. And a covenant shall be in your flesh for an everlasting covenant. And the uncircumcised man shall be, and the uncircumcised man shall, whose flesh of his foreskin is not circumcised, his soul shall be cut off from his people. He has broken my covenant. And God said unto Abraham, As for Sarai thy wife, thou shalt not call her name Sarah, but Sarah shall name thee.
Mo wà náà wọ́n ṣe àpọ́stélì orí keje báyìí.
Acts 7.
Ibẹ̀ mo fẹ́ parí ẹ̀ sí iṣẹ́ àpọ́stélì orí keje.
Acts 7.
Mo wá gbé láti ẹsẹ̀ kìíní dé ẹsẹ̀ kẹjọ.
1-8.
Nígbà náà ni olórí àlùfáà wípé nǹkan wọ̀nyí a rí bẹ́ẹ̀ bí, òun sì wípé alàgbà, ará àti bàbá ẹ fetí sílẹ̀. Ọlọ́run òkú fi hàn mọ́ Ádámù bàbá wa nígbà tí ó wà ní Mesopotamia, kìí ṣe àsìkò tí kò ṣe àsìkò ní ara nì. òun sọ pé jáde kúrò ní ilé rẹ̀ àti lọ́dọ̀ àwọn ìbátan rẹ̀ tí ó sì lọ sí ilẹ̀ tí èdè ó fi hàn ọ́. Ìgbà náà ni ó jáde kúrò ní ilẹ̀ àwọn bàbá ní ilẹ̀ àwọn alákàríà ó sì ṣe àsìkò ní Háránì lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí bàbá rẹ̀ kú. Ọlọ́run mú ṣe àsìkò padà wá sí ilẹ̀ yìí níbi tí ẹ̀yin ń gbé. Ẹsẹ̀ 5. Kò sì fún ní ìní kan àní tó bí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ilẹ̀ kan, ṣùgbọ́n ó lé ní pé òun fún un ní ilẹ̀ ìní àti fún irú ọmọ rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí kò tilẹ̀ sí ní ọmọ. Ọlọ́run sọ yìí pé irú ọmọ rẹ̀ yóò ṣe àsìkò ní ilẹ̀ àjèjì, òun ti sọ wọ́n di ẹrú, òun sì fún wọn lójú ní 400 ọdún. Ẹsẹ̀ 7. Ọlọ́run sì wípé orílẹ̀-èdè náà tí wọ́n ṣe ẹrú fún ní èmi ó dá lẹ́jọ́. Lẹ́yìn náà ni wọ́n sì jáde kúrò, wọ́n sì wá sí yìí. Ẹsẹ̀ 8 tí màá ti dàndó. Ó sì fún ní májẹ̀mú ìkọlà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Ábúráhámù bí Ísákì akọni ìlà ní ìjọ 9. Ísákì sì bí Jákọ́bù sì bí bàbá ńlá 12.
Then said the high priest, "Are these things so?" And he said, "Men, brethren and fathers, hearken. The God of glory appeared unto our father Abraham when he was in Mesopotamia, before he dwelt in Charran, and said unto him, Get thee out of thy country, and from thy kindred, and come into the land which I shall show thee. Then came he out of the land of the Chaldeans, and dwelt in Charran, and from thence whence his father was dead, he removed him into his land, where he ye not dwell. And he gave him none inheritance in it, no, not so much as to set his foot on. Yes, he promised that he would give to him for a possession, and to his seed after him, when as yet he had no child. And God spake on this wise, that his seed should sojourn in a strange land, and that they should bring them into bondage, and entreat them even 400 years. And the nations to whom they shall be in bondage will I judge, said God. And after that shall they come forth and serve me in this place. 8. And he gave him the covenant of circumcision. And so Abraham begat Isaac, and circumcised him the 8th day. And Isaac begat Jacob, and Jacob begat the 12th chapter.
Ẹgbẹ́ ọwọ́ méjèèjì sókèkọ́ èyí tẹ́ létí tẹ̀ gbọ́ràn nínú ẹ̀mí. Àtúwàdá ní ìgbà láàárọ̀ yìí, ariwo àmì ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ lè. Ogun tó ló dìgbà tó o bá tó kó ìlérí tó ṣẹ lórí ayé ẹ̀. Ogun amúnigbó kéèyàn tó tọ́ ìmúṣẹ ìlérí wò láyé. Ọ̀dájú ogun tó ní wàá gbó kó o tó lè di àgbò ìmúṣẹ ìlérí láyé. Tọ́pá lè fàyè pariwo àbí ọ̀dájú irú ogun bẹ́ẹ̀ láyé àwọn 9 láàárọ̀ ìwé yàgbẹ́ fàyè rẹ̀. Àdúgbò lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè.
Glory unto the Almighty
God. For
the powerful word is about to send unto us.
Genesis 17.
Genesis 17. Verses 1 to 7, which our text for today. When Abraham was 99 years, the Lord appeared to Abraham. When he was 99 years old, the Lord appeared unto him. And the Lord said a word to him. The Lord told Abraham that walk before me and be perfect. Because he is the Almighty God. Who will make a covenant with thee. Who will make a covenant with thee. Want to ask a question? From those white people that are studying the Bible. From Genesis 12. From Genesis 12.
13, 14, 15, 16.
To 15.
Where
the Lord called Abraham to. They began to walk with God. Abraham was hearing the voice of God. And God was speaking to him. But this is not. All that God was having with Abraham. All that God was showing Abraham.
Kò sí ẹjọ́ kan nú ẹ̀ tó fìdí múlẹ̀ ta.
None of them was established.
Kò sí ẹjọ́ kan nú ẹ̀ tó ní gbòǹgbò.
None of them had deep roots.
Kò sí ẹjọ́ kan nú ẹ̀ tó ní ìfìdí fún
One of them was strongly built up.
Ẹ̀kọ́ ilé ìdájọ́.
Listen carefully.
Ọdún tó ti ń padà lórí òmátà.
It doesn't matter the number of years you've been working with God.
Ìyá ọdún tó ti lọ ṣáàjì òmátà.
It has nothing to do with the number of years you've
Wọ́n
been
fi
working with
ẹ̀sìnkú ṣáàjì òmátà.
God. You were born inside the church does not matter at
Ìjà
all.
ajá mọ̀ pé
Do you know that
èèyàn lè máa gbọ́dọ̀ rìn fún 40
you
years.
have been working with God for 40 years?
Kí májẹ̀mú dẹ̀ náà ṣẹ lórí ayé rẹ̀.
And the covenant should not be established.
Èèyàn lè máa gbọ́dọ̀ rìn lójoojúmọ́
You
náà.
are working with God daily.
Kí òkú ọlọ́run dẹ̀ máa yọ lára ẹ̀.
God's glory will not be manifested in such a
Ọ̀pọ̀
way.
sí kùsà.
It is possible.
Ọ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀
It is
náà.
possible.
Kí ọlọ́run ní májẹ̀mú lórí
God
ẹ̀yàn.
to have a covenant upon a
Láti
day.
yẹ́ ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ rìn títí ayérayé.
And such a person will walk with God without
Ibẹ̀
knowing.
tí májẹ̀mú yẹn máa para àwọn
And
ayé.
yet that covenant will not speak.
Ọlọ́run sọ fún Ábúráhámù
The
pé
Lord said to Abraham that
èmi ni àwọn Olódùmarè.
God is almighty.
Rìn níwájú mi kò pé o.
Walk before me and be
Ẹ̀sìn
perfect.
ọmọ ọ̀dá
And
májẹ̀mú.
make a covenant with him.
Kí lọ́dẹ̀ àwọn májẹ̀mú tó wọ́n bá bá bò dáńtọ́?
What happened to those covenants he had with Abraham?
Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ fún mi jẹ́ ẹ̀sìn jákà fún ẹ̀kú sọ.
What happened to the conversation he had with him in Genesis
Gbogbo
chapter
tá a
4?
sọ fún nígbà yẹn sọ.
All that was told.
Gbogbo tá a bá Ábúráhámù sọ nígbà
All
yẹn sọ.
that Abraham was told.
Gbogbo rẹ̀ ta ìlérí sì ni kò tí ì sí
All were
májẹ̀mú.
just promises, they were not covenants.
Ìyàtọ̀ wà láàrin ìlérí àti
There
májẹ̀mú
is
ta.
difference between promise and covenant.
Ìyàtọ̀ wà láàrin àti ìlérí àti májẹ̀mú.
There is difference between promise and covenant.
Ẹ̀ka ilé ìdájọ́.
Listen carefully.
Ìlérí ṣe é dákúrò.
Promise can be delayed.
Ìlérí lè jẹ̀.
It can be shifted.
Ìlérí lè má pọ̀ sí.
It may not come to pass.
Ṣùgbọ́n májẹ̀mú ta.
But covenant.
Májẹ̀mú ta.
Covenant.
Májẹ̀mú òde yìí.
Covenant cannot be delayed.
Májẹ̀mú òṣè. Májẹ̀mú òṣè. Májẹ̀mú òṣè. Ìnáwó.
It can't be stopped.
Ní ìgbà ilé ọ̀kọ́ tó yẹ kí májẹ̀mú ni pé.
The only thing that can happen to
Ní
covenant is
ìgbà ilé ọ̀kọ́ tó yẹ kí májẹ̀mú ni
the
pé.
only thing that can happen to covenant
Wọ́n lè
is
ba májẹ̀mú jẹ́.
it can be destroyed.
Wọ́n lè ba májẹ̀mú
It
jẹ́.
can be damaged.
Ìyẹn májẹ̀mú tí ò bá ní gbòǹgbò dáadáa.
That is a covenant that is not deeply rooted.
Àwọn àkọ́bẹ́ kan májẹ̀mú Dáfídì jẹ́.
God wanted to destroy the covenant
Àwọn
of David.
àkọ́bẹ́ tó kú ti májẹ̀mú Dáfídì sà.
God wanted to afflict the
Wọ́n
covenant
lọ
of
bá
David.
Ọlọ́run sà.
They went to God.
Wọ́n lọ bá
They
Ọlọ́run sà.
went to God.
Wọ́n sọ fọ́lọ̀ wípé
Told God that,
ọdún wa
Lord,
wọ́n ṣe máa jẹ́ pé ìdílé kan ló ń jọba.
why will it be that it is only one
Kò yẹ kó jẹ́
person
ìdílé
that
kan ló máa jọba.
will not be limited to just a family?
Àbẹ̀kọ̀ ọba májẹ̀mú tó wà láàrin wa àti Dáfídì jẹ́.
They wanted God to destroy the covenant between God and David.
Ọlọ́run wá sọ fún wọn pé.
God told them
Ọlọ́run wá
that.
sọ fún wọn
God
pé.
said to them
Bẹ́ẹ̀
that
bá bá ti májẹ̀mú tó wà láàrin àti Dáfídì òun
if
àjẹ́.
if you want the covenant between me and David to be
Ohun
destroyed,
tó yẹ kó tẹ̀ máa jẹ́ ní bẹ́ẹ̀.
this is what you will do.
Ẹ sọ fún májẹ̀. Ohun gbọ́dọ̀ ọjọ́ nígbà tó ń yọ mọ́.
Some must not set at his time.
Oṣù márùn-ún gbọ́dọ̀ ọjọ́ nígbà tó ń yọ mọ́.
Some must not come out at the
Bẹ́ẹ̀
night.
bá ti lè bá májẹ̀mú òun àkóṣù
They
bàjẹ́.
are able to destroy the covenant of
Ìgbà náà
God.
májẹ̀mú ìtàgé Dáfídì yóò mọ̀ ọ́ bàjẹ́.
Only then can a covenant and David be
Wọ́n ti mọ̀
destroyed.
sọ débẹ̀ ní pé
This is what brought about this.
májẹ̀mú máa bàjẹ́.
Covenant can be destroyed.
Àwọn májẹ̀mú tó bá ní tòǹgbò
But
ní wọn lọ.
a way deeply covenant.
Májẹ̀mú tó bá ní tòǹgbò ní
A
Ọlọ́run sọ.
way deep rooted
Kò
covenant
ṣe é bàjẹ́ o.
will not be destroyed.
Ẹni bá lọ fẹ́ bá májẹ̀mú yẹn jẹ́.
Anyone that wants to destroy such covenant
lè fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ dìtà.
may end up losing
Ó
their
lè
life.
fẹ̀mí ẹ̀ dìmà.
They may end up losing their life.
Ẹgbẹ́ ìlú akọ àkòrí náà fẹ́ kọ́ jáde.
This is what will bring out the sermon topic.
Ẹgbẹ́ ìlú akọ àkòrí wà tó ká sí náà ní sí ọ láàárọ̀.
Going to bring out the sermon topic.
Kí ni àkòrí wà tó lọ sí náà ní sí yíta?
What is the topic for today?
Àkòrí wà tó náà sọ wípé
It says that
ayé tí kò pé nínú májẹ̀mú ńlá.
an imperfect life in a great covenant.
Kò ṣe ayé tí kò pé nínú májẹ̀mú ńlá.
An imperfect life in a great covenant.
Ayé tí kò pé nínú májẹ̀mú ńlá.
An imperfect life in a great covenant.
Ayé Ábúráhámù ló dá májẹ̀mú dúró ní ayé.
Abraham's life that delayed the covenant
Ayé
before his life.
Ábúráhámù pé májẹ̀mú ọ̀dẹ̀ ṣẹ́nu
His
yẹn.
life wasn't perfect, so the covenant could not be fulfilled.
Ọ̀fẹ́ ni ọlọ́run tẹ́lẹ̀ tí ìjẹ̀rí ọdún náà wà yìí
So
dà.
many children of God who are here to benefit from God.
Ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ tí májẹ̀mú ọ̀run ò tí ì ṣẹ lórí yìí sà.
Now, whose heavenly covenant is here to be fulfilled?
Ọtí ọ̀jẹ́ tí májẹ̀mú ṣe lọ ní ìfàsílẹ̀ ẹ̀họ́ láàárọ̀.
You are to be told the secret of what that made that to be possible.
Wọ́n tó dá májẹ̀mú tó láti fi sọ fún ọ láàárọ̀ ìsà.
You are to be told what has delayed the covenant of God.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ làwọn ní májẹ̀mú ògo fún.
So many gods had great covenant of
Ọlọ́run
glory
ní
of God.
májẹ̀mú lápapọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀yọ́
God
ọlọ́run.
has been covenant over many
A
people.
máa sọ fún mi
So
sàpé.
he was told.
Olúwa sọ fún mi pé
God told him,
ìjọ jábà pé
you know that
ayé ẹyin tí ò pé ló dá májẹ̀mú
our
ògo.
perfect life is delayed change the covenant of God.
Ayé ẹni tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó ló fẹ́ májẹ̀mú sẹ́yìn.
Our life that has shortcomings, what is drawing back the
Olúwa ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ fún mi pé
God of hosts said to him,
Adáwọ̀ náà bá lòun.
the Lord said he is a righteous
Òun
God,
jẹ́ ọ̀nà tó sí májẹ̀mú òun.
righteous to his covenant.
Ó ní ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ tó.
But listen, you
Ayé
guys,
ayé ìwọ àtàwọn èèyàn rí òpè.
the lives of you and your congregants are not perfect.
Ìdádájẹ́ Ábúráhámù tó pé ní májẹ̀mú tó ṣẹnu ayé.
The day the life of Abraham became perfected was when covenant
Ìdádájẹ́ Ábúráhámù tó ní ìkọlà lámájẹ̀mú tó fara ọ̀nà ayé
The
rẹ̀.
day his life became circumcised was when destiny was fulfilled.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èyí náà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ọmọ náà sà.
So many children of God.
Ọdún yìí ti parí lọ́sà.
Yes, going to until
Bàbá mi sọ fún mi pé
the father has told me.
ẹ̀yin kan fi òun níjà.
Some of you are challenging
Ẹ̀yin
God.
kan fi ẹ̀sùn kan òun.
Some of us are challenging God.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó tó bá yẹ kó máa sórí ipò tí ìṣòwò wọn láwọn ò tí ì ṣe.
And what he has promised to do thus far, he hasn't done that.
Ọlọ́run náà wò jẹ̀bi ní ayé yín ní kẹ́
The
ìyẹ̀wò.
Lord said it's not guilty of us, but we should check our lives.
Olúwa náà wò jẹ̀bi wàtà ó láyé wa ní ká
The
ìyẹ̀wò.
Lord said we should check our lives and not hold him.
Bàbí ayé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló dá ilé ayé rẹ̀ tó ṣá.
Don't you know that it's people's lives that are delaying their progress?
Ọ̀pọ̀ Kìrìsìtẹ́nì táyé wá tí wọ́n bí adágún omi ṣà.
So many Christians whose lives are
Ayé
stagnated.
wa gángan nìṣòro tá a ní.
Our lives are main problem.
Àkòrí wa àtúntò fúnra ìsọ̀ wípé
Topic says,
ayé tí kò pé nínú májẹ̀mú ńlá.
an imperfect life in a great destiny covenant.
Ayé tí kò pé nínú májẹ̀mú ńlá.
An imperfect life in a great covenant.
Ẹ jẹ́ lọ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣíníyè fún ọjọ́ tòní.
Words of enlightenment for today.
Ẹ jẹ́ lọ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣíníyè fún ọjọ́ tòní.
Words of enlightenment for today.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣíníyè àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́jọ́ ìjà.
What of it says that
Orúkọ tí ènìyàn ń jẹ́.
the name that is not bear,
Orúkọ tí ènìyàn ń jẹ́.
the name that is not bear,
Ní iṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú náà nínú ayé rẹ̀.
has to do with the fulfillment of covenant upon your life.
Orúkọ tí ènìyàn ń jẹ́.
The name that is not is
Ní
bear,
iṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú náà nínú ayé rẹ̀.
has to do with the fulfillment of God's covenant upon your
Ọjọ́
life.
tí ìpààrọ̀ orúkọ dé sínú ayé Jákọ́bù.
On the day that a name change came into the life of Abraham.
Ọjọ́ tí ìpààrọ̀ orúkọ dé sínú ayé Jákọ́bù.
Until the day a change of name came into the life of Jacob.
Ní ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú bẹ́ẹ̀ ti farahàn nínú ayé rẹ̀.
But when covenant began to be fulfilled,
Orúkọ rẹ̀ ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú májẹ̀mú náà
your
nínú ayé
name
rẹ̀.
has a lot to do with God's covenant in your life.
Mo tún sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Orúkọ tí ènìyàn ń jẹ́.
The name that a man is bearing
Ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú náà nínú ayé rẹ̀.
has a lot to do with the fulfillment of God's covenant in your life.
Báyìí báyìí.
Notice that
Ọjọ́ tí ìpààrọ̀ orúkọ dé sínú ayé Jákọ́bù.
the day that change of name came into the life of Jacob,
Ní ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú bẹ́ẹ̀ ti farahàn nínú ayé
was
rẹ̀.
when covenant began to be fulfilled in his life.
Orúkọ rẹ̀ ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú náà nínú ayé
Your
rẹ̀.
name has a lot to do with fulfillment of God's covenant in your life.
Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ta tó fẹ́ ni mo fẹ́ kúrò lórí ẹ̀ta. Orúkọ tí ènìyàn ń jẹ́.
The name that is not there
Ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú náà nínú
has
ayé
a
rẹ̀.
lot to do with God's covenant in your life.
Báyìí báyìí.
Notice that
Ọjọ́ tí ìpààrọ̀ orúkọ dé sínú ayé Jákọ́bù.
the day that a change of name came to the life of Jacob,
Ní ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú náà bẹ́ẹ̀ ti farahàn nínú ayé
was
rẹ̀.
when he began to fulfill covenant.
Orúkọ rẹ̀ ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú náà nínú
Your
ayé rẹ̀.
name has a lot to do with fulfillment of God's covenant in your
Ẹ̀ka ilẹ̀
life.
ìdáadáa.
Listen to this carefully.
Ẹ̀ka ilẹ̀ ìdáadáa.
Listen to this carefully.
Ìjọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan pé.
You know that
Ní bàbá ọ̀sán bá Ábúráhámù pé.
the Lord told Abraham that
Ayé Ádámù ò pé níwájú òun.
his life wasn't perfect before the
Ní
Lord.
bàbá òun sọ fún Ábúráhámù pé.
The Lord told Abraham
Ayé rẹ̀ ò pé níwájú
his
òun.
life was not perfect before
Ọ̀run
him.
ká àkọ́kọ́ sà.
It was the first day,
Ọ̀run ká àkọ́kọ́
the
sẹ́yìn.
first thing.
Tọ́lẹ̀ ọkọ̀ ṣe sáyé Ábúráhámù pé.
The life of Abraham.
Ọlọ́run change orúkọ
The Lord
Ábúráhámù.
changed his name.
Ọlọ́run change orúkọ
The Lord
Ábúráhámù.
changed his name.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí ọ̀pọ̀ pé orúkọ ní ṣèṣà.
So many people didn't know that their name has a lot to do.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí ọ̀pọ̀ pé orúkọ ní ṣèṣà.
So many people do not know that their name has a lot to
Gbogbo
do.
àwọn náà ti jẹ́ orúkọ bàbá bàbá wa.
All of us are still bearing the names of our forefathers.
Ẹni náà ti dórúkọ wà tó bí láti yìí.
Those of us are still asking the names of our forefathers.
Abẹ́ ìdèlè wàsà.
You are under a calling.
Abẹ́ ìdèlè wàmà.
You are under a bondage.
Abẹ́ ìdèlè
You
wàsà.
are under a bondage.
Abẹ́ ìdèlè
You
wàsà.
are under a bondage.
Wọ́n ti sàdé ẹgbẹ́ tó tún ara yín wò lábẹ́ ìfọ̀ bàbá bàbá
And
yín.
you set yourself free from the name of your
Bí
forefathers.
májẹ̀mú òkú tó kọ́ fún àwọn ayé irú ọmọ ẹ̀ láyé.
A new covenant of glory will manifest in the life
Bàbá
of
tó
Israel.
bàbá tó bàbá tèmi.
His own grandfather.
Bàbá bàbá tèmi.
His own grandfather.
Oyè lẹ́kàn ló ń jẹ́.
Oyè lẹ́kàn.
Oyè lẹ́kàn ló ń jẹ́. Oyè lẹ́kàn
Oyè lẹ́kàn.
ló ń jẹ́.
Was his name.
Now, ìgbà tó yá.
At a time.
Bàbá tèmi náà forúkọ tiẹ̀ jáde.
His own father brought out his own name.
Òun ti dúró toyè.
He became Durotoye.
Now, èmi náà ti lórúkọ.
Now he has his own name.
Èmi ń jẹ́ Mósè Wálé dúró toyè.
His own is Moses Wale Durotoye.
Now, ọmọ mi náà ti lórúkọ o.
Now his son also has his own name.
Ọmọ mi náà ti lórúkọ o.
His son also has his own
Ọmọ
name.
mi ò jẹ́ dúró toyè o.
His son is now answering Durotoye.
Orúkọ tèmi ló ń jẹ́.
He's answering the main
Ó
father's
jẹ́
name.
Ọláwálé.
Yes, Olawale.
Torí kò sínú ẹ̀jẹ̀ dúró toyè.
That is not under the blood of
Ẹ̀jẹ̀
Durotoye.
tèmi ni ọmọ tèmi ni.
It is his blood that produces
Mi ò
him.
kú ní sáfà ogun tí káàdì mi jàkù sórí ọmọ mi.
He will not transfer the battle that his father didn't complete to his own son.
Ṣé àrí orúkọ tí èèyàn jẹ́?
The name that a man is bearing
Ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú májèmọ́ lọ́wọ́ fún ayé mi.
has a lot to do with the covenant of God.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní ọ̀pọ̀ pé orúkọ.
So many didn't know that name.
Orúkọ náà ń pè wá.
The name that we are being
Àwọn
called.
orúkọ kan fẹ́ fún Bíbélì sà.
There are some names in the Bible.
Téèyàn bá jẹ.
And if a man is bearing it,
Reflection orúkọ yẹn máa fẹ́ jayé mi.
the reflection of such names will be affecting the person bearing
Ẹ̀jẹ̀
it.
fún yín àpẹẹrẹ Mósè.
Example is Moses.
Ṣé ẹ̀dà pé Mósè?
You know that Moses,
Torí kó ń gbé jáde láti inú omi náà fi sọ ní Mósè.
because he was brought out of water, was why he was named Moses.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àìbẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́. Gbogbo ogun tí Mósè jà láyé.
All the battles that Moses
Gbogbo
encountered
ogun
in
tí
life,
Mósè jà láyé.
all the battles that
Ogun kí ló jà sà?
what was it all about?
Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ mi. Ogun omi ló jà ọ̀tọ́. Omi náà ní òjò délẹ̀ lérí o.
Water related battles.
Orúkọ tí wọ́n sọ yẹn.
The name that was given
Ó rí lẹ́sìn lórí ẹ̀.
reflected in his life.
Ẹni dáńtẹ̀ ìṣẹ́gun.
The person bearing Ṣẹ́gun,
Bí ọkùn bí ìjà bí wàhálà kò ní yẹ wá lọ́jọ́júmọ́.
their life is always encumbered with battle and fight.
Orúkọ ní ṣe pẹ̀lú májèmọ́ láwọn ayé yẹn.
Name has a lot to do with God's covenant in his life.
Àwọn orúkọ kan wà sá.
There are some names.
Ó dá iná ṣùgbọ́n ogun wà mẹ́ta.
They are good when you call them, but they have battle in them.
Ọjọ́ tí ìpàrọ̀ orúkọ tẹ́sí bàjẹ́ Jákọ́bù.
On the day a name change came into the life of Jacob
Ní májèmọ́ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ nínú ayé.
was when covenant began to be fulfilled in his life.
Mo béèrè lẹ́ẹ̀kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ orúkọ wo ló jẹ́ yìí.
He has, what name are you
Ṣé
asking?
o mọ̀ pé orúkọ tó ń jẹ́ òun lórí ìfúlẹ́sì inú ìrìnàjò àyàn mẹ́rin?
Do you know that the name you are being called is what is reflecting in
Wọ́n
your
ní
life?
Ìyábọ̀ ni ọ́.
They said, mother has come back again.
Wọ́n ní Ìyábọ̀ ni ọ́.
Your mother has come back again.
Wọ́n ní ìwọ ni ìyá tó kú tó padà.
The mother that died has reincarnated.
Ayé ìyá yẹn ló máa lò lójú alẹ́.
You will be making use of the life of the mother that has died.
Wọ́n ní Babátúndé ni ẹ́.
You are told that father has come back.
Wọ́n ní Kẹ́hìndé ni ẹ́.
Now you came last.
Ó ṣe mo láìpẹ́ òkùnkùn fún yín. Kí lẹ gbé?
You came last.
Kẹ́hìndé. Ó ti jẹ́ òun ló dé Kẹ́hìndé.
He's the last one to come.
Gbogbo padà abẹ́ ṣe láyé ráì ní ìsìn.
Everything such a person wants to do,
Kí ló máa bọ́ sí ráì?
they will always be doing it late.
Àìrọ̀ má Kẹ́hìndé o. Wọ́n ti àwọn Kẹ́hìndé. Ṣé wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ṣé o mọ̀ fún orúkọ yẹn kì í ṣe orúkọ Bíbélì orúkọ òrìṣà ni?
Do you know that that name Kehinde has nothing to do with the Bible?
Kò sínú Bíbélì ṣé wọ́n rí orí tí wọ́n kọ́ sáyé ní Bíbélì?
It's still written.
Orúkọ àmútọ̀run wá ní.
It is traditional name.
Ìdòwú Àlàbá, Ìdògbé, Ìdòhá, àti kí ló tó kù. Òjò ìkè gbogbo ẹ̀ náà orúkọ kí ni ìta. Èyí tẹ́jú Yorùbá orúkọ àmútọ̀run wá. Orúkọ yẹn wá rèé náà.
Such name
Kò sọ pé a máa rìflẹ́tì lájẹ́ yẹn.
No matter what you do, their reflection will be in your life.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n bí yọ.
Look here.
Tí ò bá sí ìpààrọ̀ orúkọ.
If there is no change of name,
Ọlọ́run change orúkọ Abraham.
change the name of Abraham.
Wọ́n tún change orúkọ Sarah.
The name of Sarah is one.
Wọ́n orúkọ wọn ló dá májẹ̀mú dúró.
Because their names were delayed covenant.
Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ìyá ọmọ àkàrà ní kútọ́nù làwọn tẹ́kùtọ́nù àti bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n. Wọ́n á bèèrè ọgbà pè orúkọ kí lórúkọ máa ń sọ orúkọ mẹ́rin mú ní kí ni túmọ̀ ẹ̀? Wọ́n láwà ní òmọ́. Ẹ̀mọ́ kí wá ló jẹ́? Ó ní kò sí túmọ̀ ẹ̀ wọ́n pè bẹ́ẹ̀ náà làwọn náà pè bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó máa ní túmọ̀. Ó máa ní túmọ̀. Ìtumọ̀ yẹn lè gbàgbọ́ ní táyé ọmọ yẹn o. Orúkọ tó ń pè ẹ́ ó lè sún ẹ sí ibi tí ire wà.
Your name can push you into a place of glory.
Orúkọ tó ń pè ẹ́ ó lè sọ pé kéré má wà sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀.
The name can also stop good things from coming to you.
Orúkọ wo ló jẹ́?
What name are you answering?
Orúkọ wo náà ń pè yín lẹ́yìn?
What name are you being called in your life?
Orúkọ akọni tó ń pè mọ́ yín gan, ó ti fàmì ìdádúró sára yín.
The name that your lineage is synonymous with has given you a mark of the stagnation.
Bíbélì emphasize lórí orúkọ.
Bible made emphasis on name.
Bíbélì sọ importance orúkọ.
Bible showed us the importance of name.
Nàbá bá fẹ́ sọ ọmọ lórúkọ.
If we want to do child treatment,
Aláàtí padà sínú sí ayé àwọn bàbá wa kàkan.
we must go back to the lives of our father.
Àwọn ọmọdé sọ̀kù àwọn ẹnúfẹ́ ní Kọ́ńtà Church, àwọn alábọ̀ orúkọ jẹ́ àwọn orúkọ sínú pépà fún pásítọ̀. Ìgbà kan a kì í forúkọ fún pásítọ̀. Olúwa ló máa sọ orúkọ tó máa jẹ́.
Before now, during christening, parents are not the ones to give the names for God.
Àwọn orúkọ ọmọdé àti ìdí ọ̀dà.
Both the good names and the ones that are not good.
Orí ọ̀dọ́ mẹ́sàn-án mẹ́ Sharon.
Somebody wanted to christen a child Sharon.
Ṣẹ̀fún Sharon fà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹgbẹ́ bọ̀.
It's a name that sounds well.
Sharon fà.
Sounds beautiful.
Kí ni Sharon? Ṣé nǹkan ewé? The flower. Sharon is the flower. Rosemary, kí ni rose? Ewé. Rose of Sharon. Define it. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹgbọ́n mi ta, ọ̀pọ̀ orúkọ náà ń jẹ́.
There are so many names we are answering.
Tí a jẹ́ orúkọ yẹn dẹ̀ ń rí ìfúlẹ̀tì mọ́ wa náà.
And the life of such names is reflecting on us.
Orúkọ tí wọ́n fi ń lọ sí òjò láàánú gbà. Nínú ìwé ẹ̀gbẹ́ ìrántí wọn kọ orúkọ ògbó rẹ̀ sí. Ó máa ṣe o. Nínú ìwé máa ṣe kí wọ́n tọ́jú orúkọ rẹ̀ sí. Ṣé wọ́n bá ń pa àwọn olórí wọn kí orúkọ rẹ̀ mọ́? Àmì tó máa ń ná kì í ṣàmì bí àmì ńlá ni. Bó o bá pàlẹ́ pariwo àmì tó ń pòkè lọ́sọ̀ yìí, inú ìwé ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ̀ tọ́kọ orúkọ rẹ̀ sí ẹ̀jẹ̀ jẹ́ tó yá kó pa á. Genesis 32, 24 to 28. Isaiah 62, 1 to 5. Proverbs 22, 1 to 2. I repeat again. Isaiah 62, 1 to 5. Genesis 32, 24 to 28. Isaiah 62, 1 to 5. Proverbs 22, 1 to 2. Let me share there. Nítorí ti Síónì, èmi kì yóò dáká. Nítorí ti Jerúsálẹ́mù, èmi kì yóò sinmi. Títí òdodo rẹ̀ yóò fi jáde. Bí ìtànà yẹ bí ìfìtínà kí jó. Àtàwọn kèfèrí yóò rọ́ dodo rẹ̀ àti gbogbo ọba yóò rọ́ gbọ́ rẹ̀. Àbá ti kí ló lábá fi gbé náà o. tẹ̀ ń tẹ́ kò jẹ́ ti àánú kó jẹ́ ti orúkọ. Ẹ má kí òṣò ní bàbá yín má bàbá yín ti lọ ó ti kú. Gbọ́dọ̀ ní káyọ̀ náà kú sínú ọkọ̀ yìí. Orúkọ tó ń jẹ́ tí òfin orílẹ̀ mọ́. Àpò orúkọ tí tó pè ọ́. Èyí tí ẹnu ọdún wa máa dárúkọ. Ìwádìí àti ọ̀pọ̀ pẹ̀lú mi. Tẹ̀síwájú obìnrin yìí. Àní tí ọ̀ ní ìkọ̀sílẹ̀ mọ́. Kò sáwọn tó máa ṣàmì. Àkọ̀ ní tí ọ̀ ní nílò pèsè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ láwọn ọba. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn máa ń lọ ní ẹ̀sìnmá. Nígbọ́, àwọn máa ń pè ìdẹ̀rẹ́ ní Bẹ́wùdà. Inú ọdún wá tù sí ọ. Òtítọ́. Orúkọ tí wọ́n fi ń pè ọ́.
Name with which you have been called.
Ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ìmúṣẹ májèmọ́ náà wọ́n ayé rẹ̀ wọ́n.
Has a lot to do with fulfillment of God's covenant in your life.
Àti Ábúráhámù tí ò pé inú orúkọ rẹ̀ ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sá.
The imperfect life of Abraham began from his name.
Torí orúkọ rẹ̀ kan tó ò pé.
Even because his name is not.
Torí orúkọ rẹ̀ kan tó ò pé.
Because his name is not.
Orúkọ Ábúráhámù short.
His name was shortened.
Ẹlòmíì ń bẹ bó ṣe tẹ́ńdà ìwé tẹ́síwájú tí wọ́n rórúkọ yìí ègún náà rí lórí ìfẹ́ wọn nígbà tí.
Some, as soon as they tender their resume, what is being seen is costly and they will not be appointed.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣíní yóò kejì.
Second word of enlightenment.
Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run ní májẹ̀mú fún.
Anyone that God has covenant for.
Ṣùgbọ́n tí ayé rẹ̀ kò bá sì ní àmì ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
But whose life is yet to have that of being a big child.
Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run ní májẹ̀mú fún sà.
Anyone that God has covenant for.
Ṣùgbọ́n tí ayé rẹ̀ kò bá sì ní àmì ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
And whose life is yet to have the sign of a big child.
Lẹ́mẹ̀ ní àǹfààní.
They don't have the opportunity.
Sí ìfarahàn májẹ̀mú láwọn nínú ayé
For
rẹ̀.
the fulfillment of God's covenant in his life.
Rántí pé
Remember that.
ọjọ́ tí Ádámù tó ní àmì ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
Unto the day that Abraham got the sign of a big
Ní
child.
májẹ̀mú bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní farahàn ní ayé rẹ̀.
When covenant began to be fulfilled in his life.
Jésù sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run ní májẹ̀mú fún.
Anyone that God has covenant
Ṣùgbọ́n táyé rẹ̀ kò bá sì ní àmì ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
God's life is still lacking the signs of
Ní
a
ọba ní
big child.
àǹfààní sí ìfarahàn májẹ̀mú nínú ayé rẹ̀.
For the covenant of God being fulfilled in his
Rántí
life.
pé
Remember that.
ọjọ́ tí Ábúráhámù ní àmì ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
On the day that Abraham got the sign of a
Ní
big child.
májẹ̀mú bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí farahàn ní ayé
Was
rẹ̀.
when covenant began to be manifested in his life.
Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run ní májẹ̀mú fún sà.
Anyone that God has covenant for.
Ṣùgbọ́n táyé rẹ̀ kò bá sì ní ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
And his life is yet to experience the sign of a rich child of
Ó
God.
ní má sọ ìmúṣẹ májẹ̀mú wò láyé
They
sọ.
never take the fulfillment of covenant in life.
Ẹni tí Ọlọ́run ní májẹ̀mú fún dáyì.
Anyone that God has covenant for.
Ọlọ́run ní májẹ̀mú fún ọmọ gòkè láyé.
God has the covenant that you be elevated in life.
Ọlọ́run ní májẹ̀mú fún ọmọ jẹ́ ènìyàn.
God has the covenant that you become an
Ṣùgbọ́n táyé rẹ̀
important.
kò bá sí ìta àmì ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
If your life is yet to get the sign
Bẹ́ẹ̀
of a
bá
rich
sì
child.
láyé rẹ̀ kọjá pẹ̀lú àmì ìràpadà tó
If your
yẹ.
life is yet to move through your life with
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá sì pa àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ òrìṣà lẹ́yìn lára ẹ̀.
if the idolatric blood is yet to be changed from your veins,
Májẹ̀mú lè má ṣe o.
covenant may not be fulfilled.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá rántí dáadáa.
If you remember vividly,
Ìjọ tí Ábúráhámù tó ní àmì ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
until the day that Abraham got the sign of becoming a true child,
Ní májẹ̀mú tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí farahàn ní ayé ẹ̀.
was when covenant began to be fulfilled in his life.
Mi ò mú yàwó tó tí ì rí kọ́lẹ̀ ní. Mo ní ẹni tọ́lọ́wọ́n ní májẹ̀mú fún.
Anyone that God has covenant
Ṣùgbọ́n táyé rẹ̀ kò bá sì ní àmì ìsọdọ̀mọ́.
but whose life is lacking the sign of a
Lè
true
má ní
child
àǹfààní
may not have the opportunity
sí ìfarahàn májẹ̀mú Ọlọ́run nínú
for the
ayé ẹ̀.
fulfillment of God's covenant in his life.
Rántí pé
Remember that
ọjọ́ tí Ábúráhámù ní àmì ìṣọ́dọ́mọ́.
unto the day that Abraham got the sign of the true test
ní farahàn nínú ayé.
was when covenant began to be fulfilled in his life.
Kí ni àmì ìṣọ́dọ́mọ́ tí Ábúráhámù ní?
What is this sign of true test that Abraham got?
Òun náà ní àmì ìkọlà.
It is the sign of circumcision.
Òun náà ní àmì
It
ìkọlà.
is the sign of
Ìgbà
circumcision.
tá a kọ́ Ábúráhámù nílá.
As to when Abraham was
Májèlé ti ní
circumcised,
farahàn nínú ayé.
that was when covenant began to be
Àlè fún wọn là wọn ní pàtàrà.
It could no longer be circumcised physically by
Ṣùgbọ́n yẹ kó o ní ìkọlà àtẹ̀mí.
but you should be circumcised by spirit.
Ó yẹ kó o ní ìkọlà àtẹ̀mí.
You should be spiritually circumcised.
Ìkọlà àtẹ̀mí nípasẹ̀ Kristi.
Spiritual circumcision through Christ.
Ìkọlà àtẹ̀mí nípasẹ̀ Kristi.
Spiritual circumcision through Christ.
Ẹni tí ò bá ní ìkọlà àtẹ̀mí.
Anyone that is yet to have the
Ẹni
spiritual
náà bá sí
circumcision.
ìkọ lọ́sà bá sí ìkọ nílà nínú Jésù.
Anyone that is yet to be circumcised in Christ.
Májẹ̀mú náà lè má fara hàn náà yí ẹ̀.
God's covenant may not be fulfilled in your life.
Kò sí bí májẹ̀mú yẹn ṣe lágbára tó nú ayé ẹ̀dá.
No matter how great the covenant looks,
Tá ò bá sí ìkọ ayé rẹ̀ nílà.
if such life is yet to be circumcised,
Májẹ̀mú lè má fara hàn náà yí ẹ̀.
covenant may not.
Lẹ́jẹ̀ ń rí ọwọ́ èèyàn méjì lókè. Gbogbo agbára tí ń fẹ́ fún ayé rẹ̀ tí ò jẹ́ kí májẹ̀mú rí ó fara hàn. Gbogbo tí ń fẹ́ fún ayé rẹ̀ tó lòdì sí ìfarahàn májẹ̀mú rẹ̀ nínú ayé rẹ̀ ta. Tí ìgbàlẹ̀ sáré wà ní tó fìdìdì nínú gbọ́ yìí náà. Lọ́pẹ̀ ní nǹkan yẹn lónìí ọwọ́ iná kọ̀ là kọjá. Genesis chapter 4. Sorry, Galatians chapter 4, verse 1 to 6. Genesis 17, 9 to 12. Romans chapter 4, 10 to 12. I repeat again. Galatians chapter 4, verse 1 to 6. Genesis 17, 9 to 12. Romans chapter 4, 10 to 12. Hello, Kate Babele, or Shini Yuteta.
Third word of enlightenment.
Or Shini Yuteta.
Third word of enlightenment.
Ìrìn àjò tí ènìyàn rìn pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run.
The journey that a man has with God.
Ìrìn àjò tí ènìyàn rìn pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run.
The journey that a man walks with God.
Ní yóò sọ bí ìlérí àti májẹ̀mọ́ yóò ṣe tètè ṣẹ́nu ayé
Will
rẹ̀.
determine how soon God's covenant will be fulfilled in such life.
Ìrìn àjò tí ènìyàn rìn pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run sà.
The journey that a man walks with God.
Ní yóò sọ
Will determine
bí ìlérí àti májẹ̀mọ́ yóò ṣe tètè ṣẹ́nu ayé rẹ̀.
how soon God's promises and covenant will find fulfillment in such life.
Mo tún sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kẹta. Ìrìn àjò tí ènìyàn rìn pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run sà.
The journey that a man walks with God
Ní yóò sọ
will determine
bí ìlérí àti májẹ̀mọ́ yóò ṣe tètè ṣẹ́nu ayé rẹ̀.
how promise of God and covenant will be fulfilled in such life.
Jákè òye kó yí ọpẹ́.
Get this understanding that
Bó o ṣe rìn ni yóò sọ bí yóò ti rí.
how you walk this will determine how it will be.
Mo tún sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ìrìn àjò tí ènìyàn rìn pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run.
The journey that a man walks with God
Ni yóò sọ bí ìlérí àti májèmọ́ yóò ṣe tètè
will
ṣẹ́nu ayé rẹ̀.
determine how quick the promise and God and covenant of God will be fulfilled.
Gẹ́gẹ́ yóò yí ọpẹ́.
Get this understanding that
Bó o ṣe rìn
how you walk this
ni yóò sọ bí yóò ti rí.
will determine how it will be.
Ṣé ìrìn àjò tẹ̀yẹ̀ bá rìn pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run sà?
The journey that any man will have with God
Òun ni a sọ bí ìlérí ọmọ ìṣẹ́nu ayé yẹn o.
will determine how the promises of God will be fulfilled in such life.
Ìrìn àjò tó dáàbò ìgbà tó kọ́ pẹ́ 99 years.
The journey that Abraham had until he became 99 years
Ìlérí
old,
tó ṣẹ́nu ayé ẹ̀.
that was when the covenant was fulfilled.
Ó ní ọmọ bí àwọn méjì tó ṣòfò
He
dá.
has wasted some ages,
Ó ti rí àwọn èèyàn àrìndànù kẹta.
had some wasted
Ó
journey.
ti bẹ́ẹ̀ nílẹ̀ òun kó kí májẹ̀mú tó ṣẹ́nu
He
ayé.
was at the point of complete old age before covenant was
Torí
fulfilled.
náà wọ ìrìn tó rìn yóò pé ta.
Because the previous work he was having well, they were.
Ẹ̀kọ́ mi náà dà.
Listen carefully.
Tó o bá gbọ́dọ̀ àrìndà láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù
If you
ayé ẹ̀.
work perfectly with God at the early stage of your life,
Tó o bá gbọ́dọ̀ àrìndà láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù ayé
you
ẹ̀.
work perfectly with God at the early stage of your
Ó
life.
ní fẹ́ kó tó wọnú ìmúṣẹ ìlérí Ọlọ́run.
It will not tell you before you enter into fulfillment of
Wọ́n
God's
ìyá
promises.
tó bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta.
But look at your mother.
Wọ́n bàbá tó bí ọjọ́
Look
mẹ́ta.
at your father.
Kí wọ́n tó gbọ́dọ̀ wọ́n ní ọkọ rìn ní òrìṣà yìí.
When they encounter Christ, they have walked in idolatry.
Ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe yín sà.
Any youth that fail to walk with God, they are unfortunate.
Ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tó fẹ́ sí àwọn òrìṣẹ́ bàbá ńlá ọmọ lárugẹ ẹ̀gbádùn.
All the youth that are planning to elevate their forefathers' idols, they are not all right.
Ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé ẹ̀fẹ́ kí òrìṣà bàbá wa lárugẹ ara yóò yà sẹ́.
Every youth that are planning to give elevation to their forefathers' idols, they are not all right.
Àwùjọ ti gbé lárugẹ láwọn ọdún kan tó fa ìnáwó ajẹ́ tó sọ wá sínú òkùnkùn.
What was elevated some years back that put our generation into conflict.
Àwọn ọmọ àti ẹni wọ́n mọ̀nà náà wá dá májẹ̀mú.
Your forefathers had covenant with a
Wọ́n wọ́n mẹ́ta àwọn wọ́n wọ́n mẹ́ta ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n dá májẹ̀mú lẹ́jọ́
They
ìgbò.
joined the first word and they had civil covenant with them.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ yẹn ló wá tọ̀ sáńgárì ìwọ tó ń tọ́mọ.
And that blood is reflecting in your vein as a
Wọ́n tẹ̀
child.
wá lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ láti ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yóò gbádùn dáadáa.
And you also want to watch the work of your father.
Káàdà bí àwọn ìyá kan wọ́n sunkún sínú báyìí.
Inquire for some mothers that have
Káàdà àwọn ìyá kan tètè fọ́ ọ̀nà ìgbàlá yìí ti kẹ́tìkẹ́.
they had the knowledge of Christ earlier.
Káàdà àwọn ọ̀nà tètè fọ́ ọ̀nà ìgbàlá yìí ti kẹ́tìkẹ́ nìta.
Adventure they have met Christ earlier.
Ogun wọn ti máa fúyẹ́ jù báyìí.
Their battles will have been limited by now.
Ilẹ̀ ti ṣú kọ́ tó mọ̀ nàdúà.
It is almost late before they encountered Christ.
Ọdún ti kúrú kíyè wọn tó ṣí.
Their age was gone before they were enlightened.
Ìwọ tó wá dé jù tó wà ọkọ̀ tún láti tètè ní ìrírí ìgbàdàdà. Tó o bá tó rìn dáadáa, ìyá tó jẹ tó máa jẹ́ ó máa dúdú màmá ẹ̀ lọ.
But you as a youth is opportune to have Christ early, and if you fail to walk it well, you have more suffering than your
Tó
parents.
o bá ṣe rìn ló máa sọ fún ṣe máa rí o.
How you walk it will determine how it is.
Ọlọ́run máa ń mọ́nítọ̀ ìrìn àti tí ẹ máa ń bá rìn sà.
God often monitors how a man walks.
Wọ́n máa ń kárí sẹ́yìn rere ò dáa kò ní tètè múlẹ̀
If
oṣù
the
ṣẹ́wọ̀n.
Lord sees that your walking with him is not perfect, he will delay.
Bọ́dà bá ẹni sẹ́yìn rere ó fẹ́ ṣe dàgbà kó sálọ ni kò ní yọ̀ lẹ́wọ̀.
If God sees that you want to do quick and snatch it away, he will not give it to you on time.
Dọ́dọ̀ bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ ṣe fi pọ́kẹ̀tì ni kò ní yọ̀ lẹ́wọ̀.
If the Lord sees that you want to steal from him and go, he will not give you on time.
Ẹni ò mọ̀ pé
Don't you know
bá
that
a bá ṣe rìn ló máa sọ bó ṣe máa rí.
how you walk it will determine how it will be.
Àwọn àkànpọ̀ náà ni wọ́n lè tètè gòkè sà.
Some walk with God and they were elevated.
Ó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe lára wọn o.
You must not be envious of them.
Ìjọba ọba ṣe lára wọn tiẹ̀ máa tàṣà.
The day you begin to envy them, you will be in trouble.
Torí ìgbà tí wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ wọ́n ìwọ́n tó lé tó ní o.
Because when they were walking with God, you were wasting away.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ sọ èyí dáadáa.
Listen carefully.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o.
It is wrong.
Kò mọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ dání o.
Yes, it's wrong with
Ìjà
God.
65 years.
For a 65-year-old
Ẹ̀nà
woman,
ìjà 65 years.
a 65-year-old
Ó wọ
woman
aṣọ tó lé ní 20,000.
wore a cloth that is more than
Ó wọ
20,000.
bàtà tó lé ní 20,000.
Wore a shoe that is more than
Ó dẹ̀ ti
20,000
báàgì tó wà òkè.
and carried a designer bag.
Ọmọ 20 years.
And a 20-year-old child.
Ọmọ 20 years.
And a 20-year-old
Ó
child.
wá ní òun àti àìsàn ìjọba wọ́ṣọ kan náà.
And a child of 20 years wants to be competing with that woman of that age.
Ẹ̀mí àti àìsàn ìjọba wọ́ṣọ kan náà.
Competing with woman to wear the same thing that the old woman is
Ṣé ẹ̀mọ̀
wearing.
sọ́mọ yẹn kò ní fẹ́ kú?
You know that such a child will die untimely.
Àbí ṣé àwọn kò ní fẹ́ kú?
Such a child may die
Ṣé
untimely.
dáàbì yóò kú? Torí ìrírí ti yà sí ti yẹ tìyẹn ti rí sà.
The experience that the 65
Àwọn ọ̀sán tí ìyá yẹn ti fojú wí ní ẹ̀dá yẹn.
what she had passed through in life.
Tó bá darí mọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sà.
That guy encountered it once.
Tó bá kàn darí mọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
He had single encounter of that.
Yóò kú ni o.
She may die.
Wọ́n ní tójú àgbárí.
What an elderly man has seen.
Ohun tójú àgbárí sà.
What an elderly man
Tójú ẹ̀ fi kó sínú.
that made his
Tójú
eyeball
ọmọdé bá rí ìta. Ojú ọmọdé. Báwo ló tó ọmọdé ṣe máa rí rí? Bóyá tó mọ̀ ẹ̀ tó lórí ọmọdé yẹ kójú ẹ̀ sáré. Ọ́ ṣe rí. Mọ́tò orí o, torí tó o bá rí ọmọdé tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó fẹ́ wò sí àṣà. Lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ ọmọ mi ẹ̀gbẹ́ mọ́sùn tí inú wájú orí yín sá lọ. A sọ fẹ́fẹ́ lò wúrù. Kí mo lórí sà? Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ kí mo lórí? Ìwò tí ló bìdó. Onímọ̀ mi àìtó fíìmù gidi ni. Ìwé tí wọ́n rẹ̀ bá tó bá sí ẹ̀rù yẹn, irú tí ẹ̀wù ní sá lọ sí ẹ máa pa ní. Tẹ́ ọwọ́ yẹn síwájú sà. bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò ní kérú ọmọ rẹ̀ láyé. Ẹ̀wọ̀n bí yóò àwọn abá kan bẹ̀tà wọ́n á mú kéèyàn bọ́ lórin fún ọ̀dẹ̀ ní ká ṣe èèyàn pé méjì. Ẹ̀wọ̀n yẹn tí wọ́n ti fà. Wọ́n ṣe. Dọ́kítà dára tó ní pẹ̀lú òkú ọ̀pọ̀ láwọn olùkọ́ ìrìn àjò rẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìrìn àjò rẹ̀ ti ṣẹ́ kòjì náà lọ́ọ́ fi parí ẹ̀ tọ́jú ajẹ́. Gbogbo ọ̀dájú àtàrà tó ní wọ́n ti wù kẹ́kẹ́ wọ́n máa rìn lágbóde nínú ìrìn náà náà máa rìn wọ ìdárere ṣe. Àtàrà tó kílẹ̀ ìbílẹ̀ tó ti wá wọ́n máa ń sọ ìrìnàjò ogójì ìrìnàjò òkú. Àpàtà kí wọ́n rìn láàárọ̀ kí wọ́n máa jèrè lálẹ́. Yé máa fi kẹ́yìn máa ń ṣàìdá. Àtàrà kí máa mú kí ìrìn àjò ìrọ̀rùn ó ní ìrìn àjò ìlera tó bá kàn jẹ́ káríwá àti bàbá yìí tó wà lẹ́yìn ilé jáde nínú ayé ẹ̀jẹ̀ àtàyẹ̀ ó yẹ kó fara pa. Wọ́n ní kó o bá èyí pẹ́. What is that kó o bá ṣe rìn? How you work this? Tó máa sọ bó ṣe máa rí o. Kò ní sáà is going to be. Ibi tí mo bọ́lọ̀ mi láyé mi láadé wáyé o. The level of which he had worked with God is what has got to start. The world is like to be better than this. He has to work with God more than this. Psalm 18, 24 to 26. Psalm 18. 24 to 26. Nígbọ́. Nítorí náà. Lọ́dún wá ṣe sán fún mi. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí òdodo mi. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mímọ́ ọwọ́. Kì í ṣe mímọ́ ọwọ́ rẹ̀. Mímọ́ ọwọ́ rẹ̀ gbọ́ ọ bá ṣe ní ọ̀rọ̀ ìdí máa sọ fún ẹ padà. Yẹ. Pàtàkì. Bí wàá fara hàn fún. Láàánú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni tí wọ́n dúró ṣíṣí ni wọ́n máa bá àárẹ̀ àfún nídúró ṣíṣí. Fọ́dọ̀kàn mímọ́ lọ́dọ̀ pápára àfún lọ́dọ̀kàn mímọ́. Àti fọ́dọ̀kàn wíwọ́ ni wọ́n máa bára àfún. Ó ti tó. Príncípù Ọlọ́run yẹn. That is God's principle. Bó o bá ṣe bá a rìn. How you walk with him. Bábúrámù ṣe bá a rìn. The way Abraham walked with God. Lọ́lọ́run ṣe bá a rìn. That's how God walked with him. Ìgbà tó náà dárí pé ilé ayé Abrahamu ṣú lọ. When God saw that it was getting late for him. Ọlọ́run òdè sẹ́kẹ́ Abrahamu ní ìrìn àjò òfò láyé. Ọlọ́run ní Abrahamu. Abrahamu. Rìn wájú mi kó o pé o. Ibẹ̀ kọ́. Ọ́ kùn láì mú májèmúṣẹ. You will die without fulfilling covenant. It is possible for a Christian to die without fulfilling covenant. It is not God's fault. It was his life that was not perfect. Within 15 minutes. This one to tell us 15 that is in our life. That is not perfect. That is stopping God's covenant in your life. These things that is in your life as an imperfect thing that is delaying the covenant of God in your life. These things that look imperfect. That is delaying the covenant of God in our life. Anyone that has ears, let them hear. Anyone that has mind, let them hear. Here are the 16. That is not perfect, that is delaying the covenant of God in our life. It was Abraham's
life that was not perfect, that was delaying God's
Olúwa
covenant.
tó bá dáàbò pé.
And the Lord told Abraham that
Màá gbé májẹ̀mú mi kalẹ̀.
he will establish his covenant.
Ẹ lọ ṣe ìkọlà.
Go and make circumcision.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣe ìkọlà.
After doing that,
Èmi àwọn ọmọ máa ti inú rẹ̀ jáde.
children will come forth from you.
Wá sí bàbá orílẹ̀-èdè púpọ̀.
Father of many nations.
Ilé ìgbàdá yìí ẹ̀ bá tún pé.
That is when your life
Àti
becomes
pàmò
perfect.
dáadáa o.
Sister, listen carefully.
Láti èrè ò bá.
Your life is not
Bó
perfect.
o bá pẹ́lú tó yẹ kó o gbé.
If you do not live the life you are
Ọ̀pọ̀
supposed to
àwọn
live,
èèyàn láwọn ọ̀dẹ̀ ní ṣe lórí.
you will know great people and they will not help your destiny.
Láti èrè ò bá pẹ́.
Your life is not perfect.
Wàá máa dáná ogun wàá lè máa fẹ́ ìṣàlẹ̀.
You will be having dream of greatness, but you will be below.
Láti èrè ò bá balance.
If your life is not balanced,
Wọ́n á máa sàsọtẹ́lẹ̀ má jẹ̀mú ńlá fún ọ, ó dẹ̀ ní mú kẹ̀kẹ́ ní ìfẹ́ àdúgbò.
prophecies of great covenant will be relayed to you, but you will not fulfill any of them.
Ẹni tá a bá jẹ́ ẹlẹ́bí ọmọ.
Every listening child,
Ẹni tá a bá jẹ́ ojúlówó ọmọ má jẹ̀mú
every
lò.
true child of this great ministry,
Ẹgbẹ́ tí ṣe ohun mẹ́fà yìí.
listening carefully to this
Èyí tí ń bẹ́nu ayé wa bí ohun àìpé.
that is in our lives as imperfect,
Tí ò jẹ́ kí má jẹ̀mú ọlọ́run ṣẹnu
that
ayé.
is stopping God's covenant from being fulfilled in our lives.
Number one,
First,
ohun àkọ́kọ́.
the first thing,
Èyí tó jẹ́ ohun àìpé.
that is an imperfect thing,
Èyí tó dín má jẹ̀mú lọ́rùn ayé
that
wa.
is delaying the covenant of God in our
Òun
lives.
náà ní ààbọ̀ ìgbàlà.
It is half salvation,
Ààbọ̀ ìgbàlà ní.
half-based salvation,
Ààbọ̀ ìgbàlà ní.
half-based salvation.
Ìgbàlà wa àbọ̀ ní.
Our salvation is half-based.
Ìgbàlà wa ò pé.
Our salvation is not complete.
Ìgbàlà wa ò sí náà.
Our salvation is not well put.
Ìgbàlà wa ti jẹ̀gẹ̀rẹ̀.
It has shifted.
A ti ta ìlú ìgbàlà
It
wa.
has been diluted.
A ti mix ìgbàlà
It
wa.
has been polluted. That
A
is
ti
it.
re-strategize ìgbàlà wa.
Our salvation has been returned.
Ìgbàlà àbọ̀ tá a ní.
The half salvation we are having,
Ìgbàlà ìfẹ́ lọ níbọ̀dà.
it's a salvation that
A
is not
ti
complete.
ìgbàlà ìfẹ́ lọ fẹ́ lọ́ní.
Your salvation is not complete. Sister and brother.
Ìgbàlà yóò jiná
It
sẹ́nu.
is not well cooked.
Ìgbàlà tá a ní kò gbà yìí.
Salvation you are asked to get.
Ìgbàlà tá a ní kò gbà
The
yìí.
salvation you are told to
Kì í
get.
ṣe bá a ṣe ní ọ̀gá ló gbà
It's
yìí.
not how you were asked
Ó
to
ti
get.
borí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn, ó ti dá ìgbàlà rẹ kulẹ̀ sàn.
You have gone through some things that you have brought down your salvation.
Ó ti torí ìtayé tà, ó ti pààrọ̀ ìgbàlà mọ́ rẹ̀.
Change your salvation.
Wọ́n ti pààrọ̀ àjẹ́dẹ̀kú mọ́ lọ́wọ́ o.
Cross has been changed from the
Ìgbà
hand.
tí ìgbàlà jiná sà.
When salvation was genuine,
Ìgbà tí ìgbàlà lé kókó
when
sà.
salvation was real,
Ìgbà tí ìgbàlà jinlẹ̀ sà.
when salvation was deep,
Àwọn èèyàn ṣàgbàlà bí ẹni máa kú bí ẹni máa ṣe èrè níta.
to salvation like was the end of their life.
Iná ìgbàlà ọkàn gbọ́dọ̀ bá àwọn èèyàn bí iná.
Fire of salvation was burning within people.
Ẹ̀rù ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbà àwọn kìtẹ́nì bí ọbí iná.
Christians were afraid of sinful nature.
Ṣùgbọ́n ní ìsìn,
But this generation,
lásìkò tá a wà yìí,
this generation,
ayé ti fẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lára wa sà.
sin is so allowed in our body.
Wọ́n dájọ́ ní òun òbọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ogun ìyá tó lọ́wọ́ òbọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ogun ìta.
Brother and sister that is lamenting that they are not free from battle.
rẹ̀ fi kù síbẹ̀ ní bí
Why your battle is
ìgbàlà
left
ní.
is because you are carrying about half salvation.
Ó gbàgbàlà gidi.
Your salvation is not genuine.
Ó gbàgbàlà tó ti ọ̀dọ̀ Kristi wá.
You have not gotten the real salvation from Christ.
A bá sọ̀rọ̀ gbàlà.
When we talk about salvation in the house of
Àwọn
God,
èèyàn ò fẹ́ gba ìgbàlà mọ́, ìyanu náà fẹ́ gbà sà.
people are no longer ready to get real salvation. All they want is miracle.
Àwọn èèyàn ò jáde fún ìpè ìgbàlà mọ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ìpè ìyanu ni wọ́n fẹ́
People
gbà.
are no longer coming out to altar call, but they are waiting for miracle.
Ẹ máa wà wá tá a láti gbọ́ Jésù ti pẹ́ o.
Look at those that claiming that they are
Ọ̀pọ̀
gotten
ẹni náà ti gbọ́ Jésù tẹ̀ ní ẹ ti jẹ́ pàdé ìṣe ti pẹ́ ju ṣe.
Those that have been,
Ó yẹ kẹ́ fún ìgbàlà gbà.
they should get new salvation.
Ìgbà kan.
Before now.
Tó o bá jí jáde lóru kéde o ò lè gbádùn.
If you didn't go out for morning cry, you will not have peace for that.
Ní ìsìn,
But today,
nígbà tí dókítà ti sọ fún ẹ nípa health yẹn.
after doctor has told you about your
Tí
health issue,
dókítà sọ fún ẹ pé
the doctor told you that
o láti máa sùn dáadáa.
you have to be having good sleep.
Tó o bá fẹ́ ní BP tó high.
If you don't want your blood pressure to rise,
Wọ́n náà dẹ̀ jí ó wá wò pé
and you look at it, The level with which you have gone with evangelism, generation coming behind to set it up for God. God himself will know that. Know this well. They don't usually greet those that have tried in heaven.
They
don't greet those that have tried in heaven. There is no you have tried. You have tried. There is no you have tried in heaven. What is expected in heaven is perfection. The second thing that is in our life as an imperfect thing. Sins of the old past. Sins of the past. Sins of the past. There are sins. When you gave your life to Christ, when you got committed to Christ, there were some sins you have committed in the past. You are the only one that knew about that sin. No other person knew about it. And you are now in Christ. You have given your life to Christ. Nobody is aware of that. There was a drama that is used. The couple, they are now married. They have 2 children. The first child, so he was caught. He was killed. Before he was killed, the first child that stole, himself and the gang went to rob. The one that they went to rob took the younger sister of that guy as prostitute. When they got to the point of execution and the sister saw it and said, "So brother, you are a drop." He was the one that was first to kill the younger one. He shot the younger one. The couple were now weeping. A servant of God now prayed and said that. Servant of God said that. The Lord told him that there was a sin before now that they are hiding. That nobody was aware of. The couple vehemently denied. The pastor said, Lord said, what they have seen is a child's play. Greater misfortune is coming. And the wife wanted to own up.
Yes,
that there is. That they were formerly robbers. That their gang went to rob. Police were after them. All other group members were scared. Only the couple were scared. And they decided to get married. The money they got from that robbery was what they started their life. What they started the ministry with. When they said after they have confessed and the Lord has forgotten about it. One of the things that is not perfect in your life is the fasting. Speaking in tongues, but remember you won't steal it from your boss. You are prophesying, but what you have borrowed before, you fail to return to the owner. It is one of those imperfect things that is in life.
Number 3.
The third thing.
The
third thing. That is an imperfect thing in our life. That is delaying the covenant. Disobedience. is disobedient.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa sà.
So many of us.
Àìgbọràn tí ń bẹnu ayé wa.
The disobedience in our life.
Ohun àìpínlẹ̀.
It is an imperfect.
Àìgbọràn kan pátápátá.
We do not have total obedience.
Ìgbọràn díẹ̀ la ní.
What we have is half obedience.
Ìgbọràn díẹ̀ la ní.
What we have is half
Tá
obedience.
a bá ti gbọ́ bí oṣù mélòó kan, àkóṣà ìgbọràn kó oṣù mélòó kan.
And we obey for some months, we disobey for other months.
Eléyìí ni ohun àìpé tí ń bẹnu ayé rẹ̀.
This is the imperfect thing that is in your life.
Èyí tó dín máa jẹ̀bú olóòtú.
That is delaying the God's covenant.
Wọ́n kàn kẹ́rin
The fourth thing
tó jẹ́ ohun àìpé
that is an imperfect
tó
thing
dín máa jẹ̀bú olóòtú ayé
that
rẹ̀.
is delaying the covenant of God in your
Òun náà
life.
ní pèsè ìdámẹ́wàá.
The death of Christ.
Pèsè ìdámẹ́wàá.
Your death of Christ.
Pèsè ìdámẹ́wàá ni.
Death of Christ.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wọn pìtà.
So many of us here.
Pèsè ìdámẹ́wàá tó jẹ́.
Death of Christ that you are holding.
Ìdámẹ́wàá tó sọ pé.
Christ is fair to pay for you.
Ìdámẹ́wàá tó sọkù láàbọ̀.
Christ is fair for you.
Ìdámẹ́wàá tó sọ́nà tó fi sọ́kù ra òkú fọ́mọ.
The price you pay out and use the other to buy.
Ìdámẹ́wàá owó náà fún ọjọ́ yẹ kó jọ tó ná. Òun ni òjò gbà mí láyé.
Price that you were, the money that you were given that you were supposed to pay price on, and you failed to do that is what is stopping you from getting money.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ rí bí ilẹ̀kùn ọ̀run ṣe mọ́ta.
So many whose heaven's roof is shut over.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ rí tí mo kọjá bí tó wà pẹ̀lú làálàá tí wọ́n ṣe.
Some that you are seeing that are said to go beyond where they have despite their struggle.
Kì í ṣàwọn àjẹ́, kì í ṣàwọn èmèrè.
It is not witches or wizards.
Kì í ṣọ́kú ẹlẹ́yẹ, kì í ṣọ́kú òdìdá.
It is not the family battle or that of sorcery.
Pèsè ìdámẹ́wàá ni.
It is as a result of Christ's death.
Ó mọ̀ pé.
Don't you know that?
Ó mọ̀ pé.
Don't you know that?
Bó o ṣe máa ń yọ̀ dábàá nígbà tó bá wù ọ́ lọ́nà náà ṣe máa ń ṣílẹ̀kùn fún nígbà tó bá wù ú.
As you pay your tithe as when you desire, that's why God is giving you things as when you also desire.
Ó kàn karùn-ún.
The fifth thing.
Èyí tó jẹ́ ohun àìpé.
It's an imperfect thing.
Tó dín máa jẹ̀mọ́ lọ́rùn ayé
That
rẹ̀.
is affecting the God's covenant in
Òun
your
ni
life.
ìpìlẹ̀ ìdílé.
Your family foundation.
Ìpìlẹ̀ ìdílé.
Your family foundation.
Ìpìlẹ̀ ìdílé.
Your family foundation.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ rí yẹn sà.
So many you are seeing.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ ń wò yẹn mà.
So many you are looking at.
Ìpìlẹ̀ tá a ti pè wá jáde.
Foundation.
Ìpìlẹ̀ ilé tá a ti wá. Ìpìlẹ̀ ibi tá a ti bí wá. Ìpìlẹ̀ àkọlé wa. Ìpìlẹ̀ ilé sà.
That foundation.
Ìpìlẹ̀ àìsètì ìfàyè ìdásí májẹ̀mú ṣẹni.
It is an imperfect foundation that delays the covenant.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlẹ́ni májẹ̀mú ṣe lórí ìpìlẹ̀ orò àti egúngún.
So many are expecting covenant to be fulfilled over the foundation of
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlẹ́ni májẹ̀mú ṣe lórí ìpìlẹ̀ adájọ́bí àti ègún má ṣe rere láyé.
So many are expecting covenant to be fulfilled over a foundation of never do well.
Ẹ̀ka ilé ìdáadáa sà.
Listen carefully.
Tó o bá ní májẹ̀mú Ọlọ́run lórí ẹ.
If you have God covenant upon you,
láti inú ìpìlẹ̀ ìdádúró,
And you
ó lè
come out
gbàwẹ̀
from-
90 days kó o lè má kó o lójúmọ̀.
and you are from a foundation of delay, you may fast for 90 days and you don't have fulfillment.
Ó
of
ń
it.
sọ kẹfà tó fẹ́ ìta.
The fifth and the last thing,
Fún àwọn tí iye wọn ṣe tó ń pọ̀ mi dáadáa.
for those that are enlightened and are
Ó ń
living
sọ kẹfà tó jẹ́ ohun àìpé.
this fifth thing that is imperfect,
Èyí tí ó ń dá májẹ̀mú Ọlọ́run tó olú ayé ìró.
that is delaying God's covenant. in
Òun
your
náà ní
life.
ìrìn àjò àìpé pẹ̀lú Olúwa.
It is your imperfect walking with God.
Ìrìn àjò àìpé pẹ̀lú Olúwa
Your
níta.
imperfect walk with God.
Òun gbọ́dọ̀ rìn, òun ṣiṣẹ́ lọ fún òṣìṣẹ́ pé.
You are walking with God actually, but it's not perfect.
Ìyẹn ló fà á sí ìrìn ọ̀run tó tí òjò fi kiri lórí ẹ.
This is why men are turned to do over your life.
Ìdí nìyẹn gbà lóòótọ́ ló ń wá síwájú lọ sí fún òwà déédéé.
Truly, you are coming to the presence of God, but you are not coming regularly.
Bíbélì mi sọ fún mi pé
The Bible said that
ọ̀rẹ́ ni ò ní fà sẹ́yìn.
good thing will not lag behind.
Ọ̀rẹ́ ni ò ní fà sẹ́yìn.
Good thing will not lag behind.
Lọ́dún àwọn tó rìn déédéé.
From those that are walking perfectly.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ dárí.
So many that you are seeing.
Wọ́n bá tásìkò àdúrà tí wọ́n á pariwo gè.
When it's time for prayer, who usually run?
Tí wọ́n bá tásìkò ìsọjú tán máa pariwo tí
When
wọ́n á
it's
rántí
time for
ṣètò.
crusade, they will be shouting with so much
Tí wọ́n
noise.
mọ̀ jásùn ariwo tí ò sẹ́yìn sà.
Why? just ordinary noise without testimony.
Ẹ lọ wo ayé wọn dáadáa sà.
Look into their life.
Ìrìn àjò wọn ìrìn àjò àgàlàmàṣà ní.
Their journey is that of hypocrisy.
Ìrìn àjò gbàtí ìkàtà ń ta wọn láàánú fẹ́ fọlọ́.
The journey of when they are going through tough times.
Tẹ́lú mi bá lógun ẹ̀rí tí a ṣe dédé wájú Ọlọ́run.
Some are going through challenges, you see them.
Tẹ́lú mi bá ní ìkàntà lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ẹ̀rí bó ṣe máa gbóná jọ.
When some are looking to get something from God, they will go fervent.
Wọ́n máa wá síwájú Ọlọ́run.
They will be coming to the presence of God.
Ẹjọ́ gbà kan tó fẹ́ gbà kan kà.
Allow them to get what they desire.
Ní rí wọn wọ́n wájú.
They will stop coming.
Ní ìparí gbogbo sà.
In conclusion,
Mo fẹ́ sọ nǹkan mẹ́rin.
4 things
Tó lè mú kí májẹ̀mú ńlá fara àwọn ayé rẹ̀.
that can make great covenants be manifested in your
Mo
life.
fẹ́ sọ nǹkan mẹ́rin.
4 things
Tó lè mú kí májẹ̀mú fara àwọn
that
ayé
can
rẹ̀.
make covenants be manifested in your
Number
life.
1.
1. First thing,
Ní ìdí pẹ̀lú wa.
walk perfectly with God.
Ìdí pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run.
Walk right with God.
Tó o bá fẹ́ kí májẹ̀mú fara àwọn ayé
If
rẹ̀.
you want covenants to be manifested
Tó o
in
bá
your
fẹ́
life,
kí ayé rẹ̀ ti púpọ̀ nínú ìkòkò nínú
you
òkú.
want your life to experience surplus.
Ní ìdí pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run.
Walk perfectly with
Wọ́n
God.
náà rìn dáadáa.
Walk well with God.
Má ṣe ọ̀ṣàkàṣoko.
Do not be an hypocritical
Má ṣe
person.
yìí ṣọ̀hún.
Do not do this and
Rìn
that.
nígbà tó wù àti ìgbà tí ò wù.
Walk when it's convenient.
Rìn
and when
nígbà
it's
tó
not
dùn àti ìgbà tí ò dùn.
Walk when it is sweet and when
Rìn
it is
nígbà
bitter.
tí wọ́n yìn ọ́ àti ìgbà tí wọ́n yìn ọ́.
Walk when you are being praised and
Rìn
when you are
nígbà tí
being
wọ́n kí ọ́
castigated.
àti ìgbà tí wọ́n fi ọ́.
Walk when you are born and when you
Rìn
are
nígbà
not.
tẹ́lẹ̀ wà àti ìgbà tí ò ṣe.
Walk when there is testimony and when there
Rìn
is not.
nígbà tá a dá Ọlọ́run àti ìgbà tá a dá Ọlọ́run.
Walk when you are being answered
Rìn
and when it is
nígbà tó ń
delayed.
dà sí ọ àti ìgbà tó ń wò ìdà sí ọ.
Walk when heaven is answering you and when heaven is not answering
Ìgbà
you.
náà ni májẹ̀mú ìsọdí ńlá máa tó fara hàn náà.
Until there will covenant of enlightenment be manifested in your life.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà gbọ́dọ̀ ní sà.
So many that you are seeing today
Tí wo tọ́ májẹ̀mú Ọlọ́run wò láyé.
who fail to face God's covenant in
Ìgbà
life.
tí wo mọ bá a ṣe ń bọ́ lọ́rùn rìn.
It was because they lacked the wisdom of how to walk with God.
Lọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ bá a ṣe ń bọ́ lọ́rùn rìn.
Go and ask for how to walk with
Bá
God.
Ọlọ́run rìn.
Walk with God.
Bá Ọlọ́run rìn.
Walk with God.
Bíbélì sọ nínú ìwé Króníkà.
Said in first
Nínú ìwé Króníkà kejì. Ó ní ọkùnrin kan jọba.
that they will not become a king.
Ó ní ìwòtáyà bá Ọlọ́run náà kì í ṣe pẹ̀lú ọkàn pípé.
That Uzziah walked with God, but it was not with a perfect heart.
Wọ́n lè náà sí ọmọ fún iṣẹ́ Olúwa.
People may be appraising you that you are really
Wọ́n lè
walking
máa
well.
wù ẹ́ bàbá yẹn tó náà tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́rùn sà.
People may be praising you that you are really working well for God.
Fọ́lọ́ ń tẹ̀sán pé láti bàtẹ́ ló ti ń ṣe iṣẹ́ yìí.
And God will be like, since you have been appraising him that it's working.
Ẹ̀ẹ̀kan náà níṣẹ́ rẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ mi.
Only one in his work get to God.
Mo gbọ́ nípa àránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run kan.
He heard of a servant of God.
Àránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yìí tà.
This man
Ó máa ń ṣèkéde ìrè káàkiri.
goes on evangelism
Nígbà torí kó fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìrè tà.
because he wanted to evangelize.
Wọ́n lé bàbá yẹn ta ilé ẹ̀.
He sold his house
Ó wá fi lórí lọ fi ra kan ńlá kan tó fi pín ìrè ká tó fi
and
pín
went to
ìjọba.
buy instruments to evangelize.
Ìgbà tó di ọjọ́ kan,
On a certain day,
àwọn ọba ń sọ àwọn èèyàn ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbàdúrà.
men of God began to pray
Olúwa
that God,
ikọ̀ rẹ̀.
ìránṣẹ́
Ìránṣẹ́ rẹ̀ tó fẹ́ jọ kan bọ́ọ̀rìn. Wọ́n fi lè rí wa. Ojú ọmọ jò sún lọ́wọ́ jò rẹ̀ wọ́n.
not let him be weary and
Ìlànà
tired.
tó fẹ́lẹ̀ bá jẹ́ lórí ẹ̀tọ́ wọn Olúwa.
Prophecy came. Listen
Èmi lọ́lúwa.
to the Lord.
Èmi kò yí padà.
He changed that look.
Gbogbo tí ìránṣẹ́ yìí ṣe.
All that this man was doing,
Ẹ̀ẹ̀mẹ́ta péré.
only 3 of them,
Ẹ̀ẹ̀mẹ́ta péré.
only 3 of them
Lóhun tó ṣe ńlá mi níwájú mi.
had meaning before God.
Gbogbo jẹ́ ìlú kan ṣe.
All that you thought that he was doing,
Kò sí kankan náà tó gbọ́dọ̀ mi.
none got to God.
Kò ṣe é torí kó fẹ́ gba ọkàn là fún mi.
He wasn't doing it to win souls
Ó
to
ń ṣe é
God.
nítorí kọ́lé mọ̀ kó ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún mi ni.
He was doing it for people to praise him.
Prọfẹ̀tì má jẹ́ mi sọ lápára àwọn ayé ẹ.
If you want covenant of enlightenment to manifest in your life,
Àwọn ìdéédé pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run.
walk perfectly with God.
Number 2.
The second
Tí
thing,
o bá fẹ́ kí má jẹ́ mi ìsọdí lápára àwọn má jẹ́ mi lápára àwọn
if
ayé
you
ẹ.
want great covenant to manifest in your life,
San ìdámẹ́wàá.
say your tithe.
San ìdámẹ́wàá.
Say your tithe.
Ẹ gbọ́ mi dáadáa sà.
Carefully. into the covenant of enlargement.
Lọ́pọ̀ àṣírí ìdámẹ́wàá ni.
The secret of that is tithe.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ẹ̀rí láwọn pásítọ̀ fi nítorí ìdájọ́ abẹ́ pápá àwọn pásítọ̀ yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ táìsì lórí táìsì náà fi ṣe program láti ìgbádùn.
All that becoming too fussy against pastor because of tithe, they are not okay.
Ẹ sọ mi dáadáa sà.
Listen carefully.
Ẹni tí ò sọ táìsì ní ìkànnà táìsì mọ́.
Anyone who fails to pay tithe, he has sinful tithe with them.
Ẹni tí ò sọ táìsì ló máa ní ìṣòro.
Anyone that fails to pay tithe, he encounters
Tó o bá dàbí máa jẹ̀mú lápẹ́rẹ́ àláyé ẹ̀.
If you want great covenant to be established in your life,
Sọ ìdámẹ́wàá.
pay your tithe.
Number 3.
The third thing.
Ohun kan tẹ̀lé.
The third thing
O lè mú kí má jẹ̀mú lápẹ́rẹ́ àrùn lórí ayé rẹ̀.
that can make great covenants to be established in your life.
Gbàdúrà lórí ìpìlẹ̀ àti orúkọ rẹ̀.
Pray on your foundation and your name.
Gbàdúrà lórí ìpìlẹ̀ àti orúkọ rẹ̀.
Pray over your foundation and over your name.
Gbàdúrà lórí ìpìlẹ̀
Pray on your foundation
àti orúkọ rẹ̀.
and your name.
Ẹ wọ mi dáadáa o.
Look here very well.
Èèyàn lè máa jí ọ̀la níwájú kó sì máa lọ wájú.
You may be bearing under the white man and you will be stagnant.
Èèyàn lè máa jẹ́ ṣe mí lóore kó má lẹ́ni ṣe lóore láti.
You may be getting to be Lord and no one will do any good thing for you.
Èèyàn lè máa jẹ́ olúmọ fẹ́ràn mi kọ́ lè máa kó lè láti káàkiri.
You may be Oluwafẹ́ràn mi by name and you will be so hated.
Orúkọ rẹ̀ lè da kíkú ilẹ̀ gbogbo jì.
But if it is good and your foundation will be working against you.
Ẹ wọ mi dáadáa sà.
Look here carefully.
Wọ́n jẹ́ lọ́sẹ̀ gbà lórí ìpìlẹ̀.
Go and pray over your foundation.
Ìpìlẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ àti àná ìsìn.
Foundation does not respect anointing at all.
Bí kì í bá wa ṣe ìpìlẹ̀ ni.
If not for foundation,
Àmọye àwọn tó ní ìfòyàn tó ju ti yọjú ṣó lọ.
so many that are not anointed with pastor David Yogi show.
Àwọn tó ní ìfòyàn tó ju bàbá oyè dínkù lọ.
Those that were more anointed than Oyedepo.
Àwọn tó ní ìfòyàn tó ju bàbá Adébóyè lọ.
Those that were more anointed than Baba Adeboye.
Ìpìlẹ̀ ni òjò ń sọ.
Foundation was what stopped them from
Ìpìlẹ̀ darí fún wọn ni.
Foundation denied them.
Ìpìlẹ̀ ògbà tí wọ́n ṣe kọjá àti ká ṣe dé.
Foundation didn't allow them to go beyond where they stopped.
Ìpìlẹ̀ ní rárá ọkọ̀ ò ní kọjá òsì wọn bí ká bá ní ojú ọmọ lẹ́sìn.
Foundation said no, you will not go beyond the measurement that is given to
Wọ́n
you.
sọ̀rọ̀ ìpìlẹ̀, ó sọ̀rọ̀ aláòkó, alálásọ̀rọ̀ máa lápò ní ṣẹ.
You are talking about foundation, you are talking about vision. All you be having is just dream of glory, you will not have them manifested.
Ó jẹ́ lọ pàṣúwà.
You better go and pray.
Ìwọ́n jẹ́ tó ráyè sí tí mo sọ lónìí tó dábàá ẹ̀wà rántí ọjọ́ kan ọjọ́ kan. Ọjọ́ tá a jọ nù mí sọ fún ọ pé kó o gbàdúrà lórí ìpìlẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n tó o sọ lọ.
You that have allowed devil to disallow you from getting what is inside to be. On a particular day, you remember and regret.
Ẹ wọ bí dáadáa sà.
Look here very
Ẹ
well.
wọ bí dáadáa máa ó.
Look here very well.
Ìpìlẹ̀ òní ní kò má ní má jẹ̀mú o.
Foundation will not stop you from having covenant.
Kan nígbà kó tọ́bù ṣe má jẹ̀mú wò ní.
But it will only deny you from tasting.
Àjẹmọ́ ọjọ́ni tó pàṣẹ ògbó tí òjò lẹ́nu lájọ ògbó lówó ẹ̀ lájú.
It will make you to be a one that displays the goodness of glory of good things, but you never taste from it.
Àjẹmọ́ ní brand. Ó dẹ̀ nílẹ̀ ní ná brand yẹn.
You have a brand, but you will not have anyone to patronize.
Àjẹmọ́ ní lọ́dún dọ́là.
It will make you to be rolling dollars. There was a man named Ronnie Dollar.
Ó ti kú ní ìsìn.
It's late now.
Ìgbà tí bàbá 70 àti tó 70 níta
When he was above 70,
ní brand lè jáde.
was when he became renowned.
Ó wá ń polówó kọrin ó dàbá sẹ́dọ̀ company kan. Wọ́n kéré sí nọ́mbà wa. Ẹ̀wọ̀n sí nọ́mbà wa. Wọ́n sí sí nọ́mbà wa. Àwọn ọdẹ sí nọ́mbà wa. Ìgbà sílẹ̀ ti ṣú kọjá ta.
When he was relate with his foundation.
Wọ́n bí yóò.
Look here.
Ó yẹ kí ọdún ọmọ.
You may be the chosen type.
Ìpìlẹ̀ tó o kó lu ọmọ rẹ̀ sí má jẹ́ kó o bá gbogbo ọmọ lájú.
And the foundation you have that your pride of child will not allow that child to fulfill destiny.
Ǹjẹ́ lọ gbàdúrà lórí ìpìlẹ̀?
You better go and pray over your
Ìwájú orí ìpìlẹ̀ nìkan o.
It is not just foundation.
Gbàdúrà lórí orúkọ.
Pray over your name as well.
Orúkọ bàbá mi tí ò jẹ́ kiri ó ràn mí.
The name of my father that is denying me of good things.
Orúkọ agbóde wa tó ti dẹ̀kun ilé mọ́ni.
The name of the lion that has shut the doors of good things.
Orúkọ tá à ń pè mọ́ mi ṣùgbọ́n tó ṣẹ́rẹ̀ dànù mọ́ mi.
The name that has been called that is sending away good things from me.
Ẹ̀yin máa yẹ yẹn tí wọ́n kọ́rúkọ tó dá ọmọkùnrin nílẹ̀ ní ṣẹlá.
So many have been called a beautiful name, but they lack destiny.
Ká fogun sínú orúkọ yìí.
That who has been placed among that name.
Nọ́mbà 4 tó pẹ̀lú.
The first and the last thing.
Ohun kẹrin.
The first thing
Èyí tó lè mú kí májẹ̀mú ńlá fara hàn ní ayé ẹ.
that can allow great covenants to be manifested in your life.
Ìgbàlà kíkún.
Total salvation.
Full
Full salvation.
ìgbàlà kíkún.
A full salvation.
Ìgbàlà kíkún.
A salvation that is total.
Tó o bá fẹ́ kí májẹ̀mú ńlá fara hàn ní ayé ẹ.
If you want great covenants to manifest in your
Mo
life,
ti dárúkọ àdúrà lẹ́tọ̀ọ́, mo ti dárúkọ ìdámẹ́wàá, mo ti dárúkọ rí ìdédé torí tí gbogbo eléyìí bá wà nígbà láàrin ògbà fún kò ní fara hàn.
all that has been listed above are present in your life and you lack full salvation, they will not.
Èmi ò ṣe máa sọ tí ó ṣe wòlíì tó wà blinded pẹ̀lú táìsì ẹ tó wáyé pé táìsì tó fẹ́ san ló mú wá tó ò sì nígbàlà lọ ṣègbé pẹ̀lú ìdámẹ́wàá ẹ̀ kó o lọ sórí ikú pẹ̀lú owó tó gbé dání.
It's not a pastor that will keep quiet just because he's interested in
Ìgbàlà rẹ̀ bàtà tún ní sí táìsì ẹ lọ.
He's more concerned with our salvation than the price.
Pétérù sọ fún Símónì ọ̀ṣọ́.
Let's quote Simon.
Ó ní kó lọ ṣègbé pẹ̀lú owó ẹ̀.
That he should perish with his money.
Ọlọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ fowó ra ìgbàlà ọlọ́ọ̀.
He cannot buy God's salvation with money.
Àwọn kìnnìkan bẹ̀ kì í ṣọwọ́.
There are some things that is not all by money.
Àwọn kìnnìkan bẹ̀ kì í ṣàdúrà lónìí ní ìgbàlà lónìí.
That do not need prayer but full salvation.
Àwọn kìnnìkan bẹ̀ sà.
There are some things.
Tí o bá sí gbàlà mẹ́,
If salvation is lacking,
tí o bá ní gbàlà mú,
if lack salvation,
wọ́n bá fi lè sí ẹnu kìíní yẹn sà.
if good thing is put in peace,
O ò ní jẹ́rìí yẹn kálí sábà tó bá.
you will not eat that goodness to old age because
Àjẹ́ pààyàn àti kòkó bá dé o.
witches
Àjẹ́.
can kill somebody when glory has come.
Àwọn àjẹ́ pààyàn àti kòkó bá dé.
Witches can kill when blessing comes.
Ọjọ́ tí mìíràn bá dé, ayé lè ṣe ní olórí.
When miracle comes, you may be afflicted.
Wọ́n bá rí pé kò sí gbàlà tó kún ayé ẹ̀.
And they see that your salvation is not.
Wọ́n á jẹ́ kó gbàdúrà fún ọgbà yánu.
They will allow you to pray and get miracles.
Wọ́n á dẹ̀ ní kó lórí yánu yẹn lógójì.
And they will ask you to go and make use of that one.
Wọ́n ti parí ọ̀rọ̀ náà.
Here is the conclusion of the sermon.
Wọ́n ti parí wàásù náà.
Here is the conclusion of
Kí
the
ni àkòrí wàásù tó pọ́ lẹ́nu mi láàárọ̀ yìí?
What is the sermon topic for?
Àkòrí náà sọ wípé
It says that
ayé tí ò pé
an imperfect life
ìyẹn náà máa jẹ̀mọ́ ńlá.
in a great covenant.
Àṣàyè bàbá Ábúráhámù wà ó. Àṣàyè bàbá Ábúráhámù ò pé.
Meanwhile, the life of Abraham's father was not perfect.
Àṣàyè Ábúráhámù ló dá májẹ̀mú dúró.
Abraham's name was the one delaying.
Àṣàyè rẹ̀ ayé Ábúráhámù ayé Ábúráhámù.
It was the life of Abraham
Ló dá májẹ̀mú dúró.
that delayed covenant.
Ọ̀pọ̀ tẹ́ rí tí májẹ̀mú ò farahàn mú ẹ̀.
So many that you have seen that is not manifesting
Ayé
covenant.
wọn ìṣòro.
Their life is the problem.
Àpẹẹrẹ rèé.
An example of this.
Pẹ̀lú bí ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run ṣe lágbára tó.
As great as the word of God is,
Sàtáàdì á sọ fún pé ò ní ìdí ọ̀rẹ́ lásìkò yìí.
Satan will deny some people that you do not need that word at this time.
Ìyá tí lọ fẹ́ kí ló fẹ́ pẹ̀lú ayé tí ò pé.
What's your business with an
Àdínkù
imperfect
òkun ẹ̀
life?
ṣẹ́ jàre.
Or your priority should be to overcome
Àwọn
the
bí
battle.
sọ́kùn ẹ̀ bá fẹ́ káyé èlò ọ̀gá kó òpin ẹ̀ tó máa padà wá.
If you overcome your battle and your life is not perfect, that battle will come back.
Ogun máa ń padà wá o.
Battle can come back.
Bí a tún bá ọmọ ẹ̀yìn rẹ̀.
Jesus told his disciples
Oúnjẹ bá bí ẹ̀ ní ìṣùkọ́ jáde ń bí.
that after you have driven out an imperfect a bad spirit from his
Ó
soul,
lẹ́mìí yẹn máa lọ.
that such a spirit
Ó
will
ní
go.
máa ti wá lọ.
That after gone out of
Á wá
that,
padà wá.
they will come back again
Á wá wọnú ayé yẹn.
and check the life
Tó
of
bá
the
ní páyé
individual
yẹn ṣóko,
and saw that there is emptiness
á máa
there.
lọ kó àwọn ẹ̀mí méjì
They
mi.
will go and gather more people 7
Máa
months
ara rẹ̀.
with himself
Wọ́n á wá wọlé.
and they will come back
Ó ní
again.
ìgbẹ̀yìn ẹni yẹn
That the end of that person
yóò burú ti ṣáájú
will be
ẹ̀.
worse than before.
Dìde ṣáájú ẹni kan.
Let us